Hi, my name is JD Kindred, and I am the founder of Accent Unique. I am excited to share about this very essential new course that we will be launching in our course catalog, and it is called the 5-week French Intensive. This is for anyone who is, lacking the French skills, either to find your dream job, get a promotion, or even simply to communicate effectively with your coworkers. I know the struggle. I had to learn French myself as an adult, and so I think the key is to have small personalized courses, group courses, and to really maintain consistency. So this is just a 5-week course, and there'll be different levels, but just start by enrolling in this first one. See how you like it. Make sure you enroll before the deadline to ensure the discount. And our team at Accent Unique really looks forward to helping you achieve your goals in French.